Good morning, everyone. So here's a quick market update for all of you. Firstly, from the US markets, when it comes to the index, then it had a mixed trading session because Dow Jones did end flat while S&P 500 as well as Nasdaq, they continued their rally upwards and touching once again a record high level. But big headline is not this. The big headline is actually the tariff deal that has been announced between US and Vietnam, wherein the US and Vietnam did announce a trade deal of 20% tariff on Vietnamese origin goods and 40% on the trans shipped via Vietnam. And we have the comments from Donald Trump as well, where he's saying that the Vietnam gained United States total access to their markets and says that Vietnam will actually apply 0% tariff onto the US goods. So seems like a step in the direction of announcing so many trade deals that are likely, because 9 July is the deadline. Do remember that. But from the US markets, we also have another deadline on Trump's big beautiful tax bill, wherein Senate has actually passed Trump's tax spending mega bill, and that's now headed to the House. Other than that, we also have the private sector employment data, wherein the ADP report did say that the employment fell by 33,000 in the June versus an estimate of 98 plus, and this is the first contraction since 2023. And now the markets are anticipating that a Fed rate cut may be likely in July. The expectations are rising higher, but certainly for a September cut, that is fully priced in. Other than that, Tesla was one of the other stocks that actually gained almost 5% in trade yesterday after the delivery data is coming up. Talking about the European markets, almost major indices did end the day in the green. And talking about some of the other cues, it's dollar index that is seen to be declining once again, and 93.6 odd levels is what we are spotting. Not much of an action when it comes to gold and crude oil prices. And as of now, Gift Nifty is indicating a positive start for the Indian markets.